ka Khasi Students Union North Khasil District Unit lengba ka Education Cell manta ke sengi ke lalit sendon ban yakendu ya udin ka College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai na ka bantaban panjing pensyai hadin balwan penken riakam haduh ngut na Manipur sya Kyrdemkulai bat kumjuru ban panjing pensyai ba kate ka College of Agriculture haduh menta kambat la ban thungkam yaki pos badang theli hadin baladep ban penbena pa ba hausnem araja khat kendai Kani ka jinglet kendu ka seng KSU balalam khamat da Vice President jongga KSU North Khasil District Unit usamla Lambok Rembai but Education Secretary usamla Banjop Maring kadi hadien ba ka Central Agriculture University Imphal kalapin ken riak kam na Imphal se Kyrdemkulai hadu hinyangut ke ba omde ki trai muluk trai jaka but kumjo ru ka jing penslem ban khot interview ne ban penlong yak examination thungkam yaki post badang lai baladep ban penbana nadu usnem araja khat khandai
Mentah kesini nagaliang jongka Khasi Student Union North Khasil District Unit nila lembah jongka Division Cell nila wan hangne rengkat bagi nongelam jongka district nadu Vice President jungi bat kui nongelam district yuan ban mi ban kendu ki yaudin jongka ka College of Agriculture mengiwan kendu hangne golong ba habangi yoi bat ngiliyo jingtip ba kidon hadu kumba ndriu nyongut kita ki nong trei jongka CAU na po Imphal na po Manipur ki wan kilayo ya kata transfer order banwan syane ne banwan trei hapo kaneka jaka hangni te ngi nelan jongka seng hadin bangilio jingtip ya kani ngilawan ban kendu ya udin bapet ya kaneka jaka pulih hangni bat hadin bangilio kendu badi keren badu kolong ba ula pensyai sengi ba kini kade betik tang na ka benta ka temporary order andi ka basipor ti badula ya keren syairu badu golong ba hadin bakut ya kini lai benai extension ndri ban phak biang ki balik phai sapo ka jaka ka ba ki ju trei na kaliang ji keseng ni la ya keren badu bat kai golong ba kini ki bawan na ente na po Manipur kidai ban ngidai bentip ka nungut kiwan bat kanu bat ki khun ki kti la ne ki wan tang ki nong trei dekat kum ka ba bat ki wan tang kum ki nong trei la ne bat ki khun ki kti dekat kum ka ba ngiyo ban ya keren badu kolong ba ki don ki bawan tang kumu nong trei wan simen bat don ru ki bawan bat ka family tingile keren badu ba udai ru ban pentip syaka sarkar jela ya kene ke jingdon jong kini ki bawan thamai ba phat nang tin po Manipur bat ki bawan sine bat nagliang jing keseng kai ka ba kta susu bangi sheping galong ba HOR hajar khandai ngai thu ipi ki don hadu pratli ki post ki bala advertise saktu kupor bala khot yang ne jing thungkam idan du pratli ki post bat hadu menta ki klem le ya kanu nuk interview ni sheping galong ba yo kini ki brew ki ba nakte na po ga jela Manipur nda kilawan hangne nama kitip baga jala miklia kadi ba syong suk syong san pabe kalong bangiting yo kini ki pus kin jano kin tap da ta ki break bawan nang tin po ka jala Manipur tingil ikran badula pensisyaru ba yakini ki bawan menta nang te sini adin tang bukut yakini kalai bnai ki hab ban lek phaino
Morning. So I am Dipendra Thakuria, Dean of this college of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai. It is under one of the constituent college of Central Agriculture University and which headquarter is at Imphal. So and these gentlemen, they are coming, they are representing that Khasi Student Union KSU. So they actually visited the office of the dean of this college with a particular concern, and concern is that they wants to know that some people belong to a particular community, that Manipuri community, they came on transfer and settle in this college. That is their complaint, whether they are permanently come over here or are they going to stay. Such kind of some confusions are there, and they came, and then I would like to clarify all the matters. Already I have clarified to them that the clarification is that the ongoing conflict what is going on in Manipur, that our Central Agriculture University located in the main Imphal Valley. So some the people employee of Central Agriculture University, they belong to Kuki community. So there is some kind of life threatening fears or such kind of fear is arises because of the riot. So as a temporary stopgap arrangement, so as we are also the constituent college of the university, so they have been transferred for a period of 3 months only. And once that situation in Imphal will be normalized, these people will again go back, and already I have shown their transfer order also. Here it is clearly mentioned that this is a temporary arrangement for a period of 3 months, and even pay everything will be drawn from their original post. That means it is from the Imphal college only. They will be drawing their salaries. So nothing to worry about the vacant position what is available in this college of agriculture. These are still intact, and our authority is trying their level best to bring all the necessary advertisement whatever vacant positions are there. Means mostly vacant positions we are talking about non-teaching part, not the teaching part. Non-teaching part, whatever vacancy position, definitely university will take care, and advertisement they are trying their level best to bring as early as possible. And then with these words I like to clarify all the doubts, and this arrangement is purely temporary and nothing to worry about the blockage of position or something.